Here we go, take off. You can see the kind of smoggy look, heavy on the pollution, and the ding of the bells. More as we get higher. And I thought the trails in Nepal were rough and bouncy, beating my buns. I don't think Kathmandu's airport has yet recovered. Now we have the view as we go up. You can see it's crowded with houses, and then in the distance the mountains. Is coming into view. Here you see in the distant background, and they're taking it away. I'm turning. Okay, well, the Himalayas. Since we can't see that, we'll look down and see what we can see. There are always temples. Your job is to find them. Sun. And here ends a rather wonderful journey to visit all of the villages and see the people, their needs, and to see what horrific circumstances they do continue to live in. Thank you for following us. Thank you for your kindnesses and viewing what we post, and your contributions and your concerns and your volunteering. The truth is we can't do this without you.